How to remove suggested on Messenger permanently. If any day any of you are a Messenger user and you would like to remove the suggested on Messenger permanently but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to tap on Messenger like this and then go to the I like option. After you tap on I like option, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the option of permissions and you have to allow the permission to calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification phone, photos and videos. After that, you can just scroll down and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, now if you see the option of clear the data, you have to tap on that. And if you see the option of clear the data like this, you can tap on clear the data as well. Now after you tap on both of these, now you have to go to the option of messenger and tap on messenger like this. Now this way you can lock the messenger like this and you can just tap in the messenger. Now after you tap on that, you can wait until the next interface appears. Sometimes the interface appearing may be a little lagging and that may be due to your internet connection there. Therefore you need to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. And if you have a faster internet connection, it will take you a little faster time to just upload to the next step. Otherwise it will take a little lesser. Now after you see that, you can go to the option of save or not now as well. For example, I tapped on not now, and after you tap on that, now you can see the next interface there. Now you have to just enter your pin to sync your chat history. If you do not want, you can go and skip it as well and then go to the option of continue. Now after you tap on the option of continue, you can see the option of find your phone contacts on messenger. Now here, this is the most important step. You have to go to the option of not now, and after tapping on not now, now you can see that all of these options will be seen here. So this is the way on how you can just remove the suggested accounts on the very messenger permanently. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.